Right. Yesterday, I have discussed about the motion of a body on a smooth horizontal surface. Smooth horizontal surface. So, under that situation, there are three different cases. One is one mass of the body m is there. It is moving on the frictionless surface. It is moving in the horizontal way only because I have mentioned this one horizontal, smooth, nothing but a frictionless. So now, yes, there will be definitely normal reaction. R is there, weight of the body mg is there, and it is moving in this direction F. So by applying that horizontal force, it is moving in this direction, Nana. So now it is getting some acceleration A, Nana. So that's why F is equals to ma, A is equals to F by m. Second case is this horizontal surface only, this object only, but I am applying some force, horizontal force at particular angle, Nana. Like this, it is making an angle with the horizontal theta, Nana. This is R, Nana. This is mg, Nana. So this is F cos theta. This is F sin theta, Nana. F cos theta and F sin theta, Nana. So how much force, how many forces are there in the upward direction? R is there plus F sin theta is there. That is equals to balanced by Nana. Tell me, Nana. Right. This is R plus F sin theta is equals to mg, Nana. So from here R is equals to, you can write this as mg minus F sin theta. Let it be equation number. This is the original equation. Now how many forces are acting in the horizontal direction, Nana? F cos theta. But it is getting some acceleration A, Nana. So that's why ma is equals to F cos theta. That implies A is equals to m by F cos theta by m, Nana. Yesterday we have discussed, just I am recalling all those things, just revising. Next, same body only, but I am applying, it is a pull, Nana. Now I am applying push, Nana. It is subjected to push, Nana. So at this time, there are two components because it is making angle theta. This is F cos theta and this is F sin theta, Nana. Now R is in this direction and mg is in this direction, Nana. R is in this direction and mg is in this direction, Nana. Now, yes, I am applying, yes, before that, just it is moving in this direction, Nana. So that's why it is getting an acceleration A. So it is in this direction. What is acting, Nana? F cos theta is acting. So that's why F cos theta is equals to ma, Nana. So A is equals to again F cos theta by m, Nana. Next, after that, how many forces are acting in the upward direction, Nana? R. In the downward direction, mg is there, F sin theta is there. So R is equals to mg plus F sin theta. This normal reaction is balanced by the F sin theta plus mg, Nana. So these different three cases we have discussed yesterday. But now only single body we have discussed, Nana. About the single body we have discussed, Nana. From now onwards, just I am adding another body and I am connecting two bodies, Nana. I am connecting two bodies, two objects, two masses I am connecting, Nana. So two masses I am connecting. So two masses, first mass, second mass, m1 mass, m2 mass. Two masses are there. They are connected by one string, Nana. One string like this. Now today's our topic is simply about the connected bodies, Nana. Connected bodies. Just about the connected bodies we are discussing, Nana. So about the connected bodies is nothing but simply this is the horizontal surface. Now on this horizontal surface, this is a mass m1 and this is a mass m2, Nana. Yes. Now these two are connected by one string, Nana. The tension developed, tension force developed. I told you already. What is that? If you attach any mass to any string, then automatically, definitely, automatically, the internal forces are developed inside the string. Those are called as simply tension forces. So here the tension was developed, Nana. So that tension, due to this one, tension developed in this direction, Nana. That is equals to, due to this one, the tension developed in this direction, Nana. That is also equals to T, Nana. So the tension developed in the string is T, Nana. So now this is already, you know very well about, if one body is there, then what happens, Nana? If any body is there, then m1g is the weight of that body, Nana. Balanced by, this is N1 normal reaction, or I am taking this as R1 nana, because I have taken R for single body, but there are more than single body, more than one body nana. There are two different bodies. That's why M2G nana. This is R2 nana. M2G R2 nana. Yes, I am applying some force on this nana F in the horizontal direction nana. So just horizontal force I have applied nana for this body. Yes, it is getting some acceleration nana, that is A nana. So for this body, how many forces are acting nana? See here, R1 is equals to M1 into G. R2 is equals to M2 into G nana, because vertically it is not moving. Vertically it is in the equilibrium position nana. Vertically it is in the equilibrium position. Vertically it is not moving nana. It is not moving vertically. It is in the equilibrium position. So it is balanced by the weight of the first body is balanced by this R1. Weight of the second body is balanced by R2 nana. Right? Next, after that, simply R1 is equals to M1G, R2 is equals to M2G. Yes, after that, I am going to discuss about the horizontal motion, nana. Yes, horizontally it is getting some velocity, not velocity, some acceleration, nana. It is getting some acceleration. That is acceleration. How much it is, nana? T1 into, yes. First of all, I am calculating the resultant horizontal force on the M2 nana, on M2. F is acting in this direction and T is acting in this direction nana. So F minus T is equals to M2A nana, because it is getting some acceleration A. Right. See here, one mass is there, nana. M2 mass is there. This M2 mass, it is getting some force in this direction and tension force acting in this direction. Nana. This one, this is developed due to this mass, nana. So applied force is F nana. So resultant force nothing but a one is pulling. Your friend is pulling in this direction. You are pulling in this direction, nana. So you are pulling. Your friend is pulling with a T force. You are pulling with a F force, nana. So resultant force nothing but a whenever the resultant force is there, then only it gets motion, nana. Otherwise, it won't get motion, nana. So that's why F minus T is equals to M2 into A nana. F minus T is equals to M2 into A. This is let it be equation number 1. Now for this one, how many forces are there, nana? Due to this one tension force is developed, nana. That is this one. This is due to this one. This is due to this one, nana. Right, that is how much, nana? T. Now it is moving in which direction, nana? In this direction only. So that's why T is equals to M1 into A nana, because it is M1, it is getting some acceleration. That acceleration must be definitely equals to the acceleration of this body obtained by this body, nana. That is M1 into A nana. Just substituting this T value at here, nana. F minus M1 into A is equals to M2 into A nana. So F is equals to, I am sending this to that side, nana. So M1A plus M2A nana. So just I am sending this to this side. It is becoming positive, nana. So now F is equals to M1 plus M2 into A nana. So A is equals to F by M1 plus M2. What is the common acceleration, nana? Those two bodies which are connected by the string are having common acceleration. That common acceleration A is equals to F by M1 plus M2. That common acceleration A is equals to F by M1 plus M2. Right, nana? Again I am giving some conclusion. Please listen clearly. It is very easy, very interesting, but little bit confusing. Please, to avoid that confusion, I am again giving some discussion, nana. Just motion of a body on a smooth horizontal surface. One body is there. Whatever it is, maybe if any body is there, just horizontal motion. We are discussing about the horizontal motion on a frictionless surface. Smooth surface, nothing but a frictionless surface, nana. So now one body is there. definitely weight is in the downward direction, the equivalent normal reaction developed in the upward direction. So now F is equals to R is equals to mg, and it is moving in this direction. It is getting some acceleration, but you know very well according to Newton's second law, F equal to ma, that ma is equals to F. From that a equal to F by M. Our target is, my target is to calculate the what is the acceleration obtained by the body in the horizontal motion when it is in the horizontal motion. So a equal to F by M. Here a equal to F cos theta by M, because in this direction only F cos theta is there. F cos theta is only giving the motion in the horizontal direction, Nana. F cos theta only giving the motion in the horizontal direction, Nana. So a is equals to F cos theta by M, Nana. So now after that another body is there. Here also F cos theta is there, Nana. That is equals to F, only F cos theta is producing the motion in this body along the horizontal. So that's why a equal to F cos. But here only up to here only single body. Now after that I added only another body, two bodies. In case of two bodies are there. Two bodies are connected by one string, Nana. That is this one. Two bodies are connected by one string, one thread, Nana. So mass m1 first body, mass of the second body is m2. These two are connected by one string, Nana. The tension developed in the string is capital T, Nana. Due to this string, I am attaching in this direction. Tension always in the opposite direction, Nana. Just I attach the mass to this string in this direction. So it is pulling in this direction. That's why developed some force internally, that tension is exactly in the opposite direction, Nana. Right now I attach one string, one mass to the string, Nana. Definitely this is moving, this is attaching in this direction, and tension developed exactly opposite direction, in the opposite direction, Nana. So T, both two are only same tension developed in that, and mass m1 is there, right, Nana? Mass m1 is there, and m2 is there. This is m1g is the weight of this body, and equivalent normal reaction R1 in the upward direction. M2 is there, weight of the body m2g in this direction, normal reaction in the upward direction, Nana. R1 is equals to m1g, R2 is equals to m2g, and how much force is applied on this, Nana? Capital F force was applied in this direction, Nana. So F minus T, Nana, because not this one, Nana. This is developed due to this one, but this is developed due to this one. That's why I am calculating first of all resultant force acting on this. Resultant force F minus T, Nana. That must be equals to M2 into A. So now after that, yes, here also resultant force is how much, Nana? On this, not F is acting, Nana. Only this T is acting, Nana. The developed, this T also developed by this one, Nana. Yes, this one only. So that T is only acting, that T is equals to resultant force, Nana. That was equals to M1 into A, Nana. So let it be equation number 2, Nana. So in this T is there, T M1A, just I have substituted T is equals to M1A, F equal to M1A plus M2A, Nana. F is equals to M1 plus M2 into A, Nana. So A is equals to F by M1 plus M2, Nana. I got this one for two bodies. One body completed, two bodies completed. Now I am going to discuss about the three bodies, Nana. Suppose if I selected three different bodies, Nana. One body completed, Nana, and two bodies also completed. In everywhere, what we are calculating, Nana? Only the resultant acceleration of the bodies. Acceleration of this one, T by M1. This one. Acceleration of this one, F by M1 plus M2. So common acceleration we are calculating, Nana. That acceleration A is equals to F by M1 plus M2. You can guess, Nana. You can guess acceleration of the three bodies. Common acceleration of the three bodies also you can get, Nana. You can expect. What is that, Nana? Can anyone say?
A equals to F by M1 plus
F by
M2.
M1 plus M2 plus M3.
Very good, Nana. Very good. Just I am expecting that one from you only. Right? Very good, Nana. A is equals to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3, Nana. You will get like that only, common acceleration. Common acceleration in this case, for this case, F by M. For this case, F cos theta by M. For this case, F cos theta by M. For this case, F by M1 plus M2 for two bodies. Suppose if I connected three bodies with the two strings by using the two strings. I have connected two bodies with two strings. Sorry, three bodies with two strings. Three bodies with two strings. Three bodies. First body, second body, third body. Two strings are there. And there also you can calculate like this, Nana. Like two bodies. Just I am explaining about that only. Yeah, same similar situation is there. I can there is a possibility to write similarly common oscillation for three bodies. Also, you can write, Nana, but I am just proving that one. Three bodies. In case of three bodies. In case of three bodies. In case of three bodies, Nana. Then what you have to do? Simply, you know very well about that. This is the first body. This is the second body. This is the third body, Nana. This is M1. This is M2. This is M3, Nana. This is M1G. This is R1, Nana. This is M2G. This is R2, Nana. This is M3G. This is R3, Nana. Now this is, yes, this is, I attached one string, I attached one mass to this string, Nana. It is pulling in this direction. Definitely, this is T1, Nana, developed by this one. Now I have attached this mass to this string, Nana. So definitely tension developed in this string due to this one. That is T2, Nana. Right? Now in between these two, one string is there. Due to this one, the tension developed in the string is in this direction, Nana. Due to this one, the tension developed in this string, it is in this direction, Nana. And I have applied some force capital F in the horizontal direction. Is it okay, Nana? In the horizontal direction, Nana. So for that purpose only, just I am calculating, Nana. So T1, T2, T3, right, just write like that. First of all, I am calculating at M3 mass. F force is acting in this direction, Nana. T3 force is acting in this direction, Nana. Resultant force T3. T3 is acting in which on which body, Nana? Third body. So you have to remove this one. You can neglect this one, Nana, because it is acting on this one, not on this one. On the third body, which force is acting, Nana? T3 and F. Resultant of that two, F minus F is acting in this direction. You are pulling in this direction. Your friend is pulling in this direction. You are pulling with force F is in this direction. Your friend is pulling T3 with force T3 in this direction, Nana. That is equals to M3 into A. Let it be equation number 1. Now second body. On the second body, how many forces are there, Nana? This T2 is acting in on which body, Nana? Not on third body, on second body. T2 is acting in this direction. Your friend, yes, you are only pulling in this direction, and your friend is pulling in this direction. Yes. How much force is acting on that, Nana? See that T2. Wait. T2 is acting on this one. Leave that one. T2 is acting on this one. T2 is pulling in this direction, Nana. T2. Right, Nana? Yes, tell me. You can tell, Nana. You don't worry. You can tell that one.
T2 equals to M2A.
T2 is equals to
M2A.
M2A. Why? Tell me. Why? It is correct answer. Why?
T2 is acting on M2.
T2 is acting on M2.
M2. These two cancel each other. Right, Nana? Because extra force is not acting on this one. Here extra force is acting. That's why these two are not cancelling here. Right, Nana? For that reason only, just I am waiting for you. See here, T2 is equals to only M2A. T2 is acting, that is equals to M2A. This is only acting. So that is M2A. Just let it be equation number 2, Nana. Next, on M1. On M1, Nana. On M1. Tell me.
T1.
T1 equals to M.
T1 is acting in which direction? In this direction. It is moving in which direction? In this direction. T1 is equals to M1 into
A.
M1 ಏನೇನಾ? T1 is equals to M1 ಏನೇನಾ? T1 is equals to, tell me Nana, T1 equals to M1A, T2 is equals to M2A. How can you calculate T3 Nana? How can you calculate F? You can write from here F is equals to M3A plus T3 Nana. T3, then how can you calculate T3? Then Nana, tell me, just simply in this case F is equals to, sorry, A is equals to F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 you will get Nana according to our analysis. Here F by M1 plus M2. Here F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 Nana. Then tell me, how can you calculate T2? Just leave this one first of all. T2. T2 is equals to how much Nana? M2 into A. A is how much Nana?
F by M1 plus M2 plus M3.
M1 plus
Right.
M2 plus M3.
That's it. M1 plus M2 plus M3. Then you can write this as M2F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Let it be equation number just the third Nana. Next after that T1 is how much Nana? T1 is equals to M1A. A is how much Nana? Yes. F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 Nana. That is equals to M1F by M1 plus M2 plus M3 Nana. Let it be equation number 4 Nana. But I want to calculate T3 Nana. For that purpose just I am using this equation Nana. F minus T3 is equals to M3 into, is it visible Nana? Alright. That implies just T3 I am sending that side, M3 I am sending this side Nana. F minus M3 into A is equals to T3 Nana. F minus M3 into A is how much Nana? F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. M3 into A, that is equals to T3 Nana. That implies T3 is equals to how much Nana? You can say Nana, F is there, F is there. I am taking common F. M3 is there. Here 1 is there. 1 minus M3 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Just I am taking LCM Nana. I am not doing anything. That is equals to M1 plus M2 plus M3 minus M3 cancel each other. M3 cancel each other. Then M1 plus M2 by M1 plus M2 plus M3 into F Nana. T3 is equals to M1 plus M2 into capital F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M1 plus M2 plus M3. M1 plus M2 into capital F by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Then yes, by using only enough Nana, these situations are enough. Single body, two bodies, three bodies. Just moving on the smooth horizontal surface Nana. Smooth horizontal. It is enough. Smooth horizontal surface. Single body, two bodies, three bodies. One body, I have calculated three cases. So, two connected bodies by two bodies are connected by one string. I have calculated this one. And in this also you can calculate T equal to M1A. Then T, they can ask T Nana. T is how much Nana? T is equals to M1 into A. M1 into A is how much Nana? F by M1 plus M2 Nana. That is equals to M1F by M1 plus M2. T is equals to M1F by M1 plus M2. Like these situations are there. Yes, you have to remember these equations. No, this equation, this equation, this equation, this equation, this equation, this equation. And in the previous case, a equal to f by m, a equal to f cos theta by m. In two cases, that one only. Push, either it is subjected to push or pull, whatever it is may be, a is equals to f cos theta by m nana. This is the situation. Yeah, very, very important, interesting, and some little bit confusion is also there, nana. Just I am writing all the formulas at one place, nana. See, tell me, nana. I am writing all the formulas at one place, nana. Because the rough surface, if the rough surface is entered, then automatically you will get more confusion, nana. So that's why simply smooth horizontal surface. First one is what is the formula, nana? Simply a is equals to f by m. Second one is, nana, a is equals to f by f cos theta by m, nana. Third one is also a is equals to f cos theta by m, nana. That is about for one body. For one body. For two bodies, fourth one, nana. A is equals to, tell me, nana, for two bodies, f by m1 plus m2. And fifth formula, T is equals to m1f by m1 plus m2, nana. These two for two bodies, nana. For two bodies. Sixth one is what, nana? Yes, for three bodies. For three bodies, what is there, nana? F is equals to, tell me. A is equals to f by m1 plus m2 plus m3, nana. Seventh one, what is that, nana? T, yes, it is there, nana. T2 or T1? T1 is what, nana? I got a T1. T1, nana.
M1.
T1 is equals m1 f by m1 plus m2 plus m3, nana. Eighth one, T2 is equals to how much, nana? T2.
M2F by
M2f by
M2F M1 plus M2 plus M3.
M3.
T3 is how much, nana? M2 plus M3, M1 plus M2
M1 plus M2.
into capital F by this is about for one body, for two bodies, for three bodies, nana. For one body, for two bodies, for three bodies, nana. These 9 formulas, 9 equations are very, very important for us. For a horizontal smooth, for a motion of a body on a smooth horizontal surface, nana. For a motion of a body on a motion of a body, not only body, nana, bodies, because just this is for one body, two bodies connected with string, three bodies connected with a string, with two strings, two different strings, nana, not only same strings, but here only one string is there, so one tension force is there, capital T only. Two different strings. This is about the motion of bodies on a smooth horizontal surface, nana. Motion of bodies on a smooth horizontal surface. Now you are ready to do the problems. Right, Anna? in the given notes also connected bodies problems are there, Nana. Based on that, connected bodies problems are there in the given notes. What I have given to you in that notes also there is a connected body problem. Two bodies of masses 2 kg, 3 kg is connected by one string, and one force is applied F on this, that is equals to 3 newtons of force is applied, and tension developed in the string is S. How much Nana? Tension developed in the string is, let it
M1 F by
be,
M1 plus M2.
T is equals to M1 F by M1 plus M2. That is the formula. They are asking tension developed in the string is how much? Just direct question, Nana. If you know very well about these formulas, concepts, then you can do the problem easily. So M1 is how much, Nana? 2 kg. F is how much, Nana? 3 newtons by M1 plus F2, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3. So 6 by 5, Nana. So you can write this as 6 by 5, nothing but 5 ones and 0.2, 1.2 newtons of tension was developed in the string which we have connected between the two bodies. Very easy, Nana. One problem is there in your notes. What I have sent you in that notes only, class problems, homework problems is there, na. In that there is one notes is there, Nana. So that notes is also there. So you can also do the problems like this. Yes, tell me any other problem. Suppose for this problem only, this is given, 2 is given, 3 is given. Acceleration, common acceleration for this one. How much, Nana?
F by M1 plus
F by
M2.
M1
That's it.
plus M2.
That's it. That's it. That's it. Very good, Nana. Very good. F by M1 plus M2. F is how much, Nana? 3. M1 is how much? 2 plus 3 common acceleration. 3 by 5, Nana. 3 by 5 nothing but 0.6, Nana. 0.6. Sorry, meter by second square. These questions are there, Nana. This type of questions are there. If you clear about these concepts, if you clear about this clarity, if you have any clarity about these formulas, then automatically you can do without pen, Nana, without using the pen, without the calculation, you can say the answer, Nana, by seeing the problem only. If you are clear about these concepts. Otherwise, suppose one body is there, Nana. One body is there. Yes, in the textbook also it is there, Nana. I am pulling this body in this direction. F4 that is equals to, simply it is making an angle 45 degrees, Nana. The mass of this body is S. Mass of this body, that force F is equals to some 2 newtons of force is applying in this direction with 45 degrees, Nana. Some force, some mass of the body M is equals to 2 kg. Yes, 2 kg, Nana. 2 kg mass is there. I am pulling this body with the 2 newtons of force, Nana. Then what happens? What is asking, Nana? What is the acceleration? For this, what is, Nana? What is the acceleration?
F cos theta by M.
Very good, very good, very good, Nana. F cos theta by M. Very good. Yes, I'm very happy.
1 by
Because,
root
yes, I'm very happy, Nana, because what I have explained from yesterday onwards, you are getting clearly from your by the response of by your response only. I am getting the clarity, Nana. Yes, F cos theta. F is what, Nana? 2 newtons. Cos theta, cos 45 degrees. M is how much, Nana? 2 kg. 2 cancel. Cos 45.
1 by
1 by root.
That's it. That's it. That's it. The one problem is there in the textbook. It is there, Nana. In the MCET examination, like these questions only asked already. These are the previous questions. These what I have explained today. 3 questions I have explained. 3 problems I have explained, Nana. Are those 3 problems already asked in the MCET examination, Nana? So you are saying directly you are saying the answers, Nana. Without doing the problem, you are saying, because due to what, Nana? If you are clear about these concepts, you can say the answers directly, Nana, by seeing the problem only. That is the way of learning. Very good, Nana. I am happy. Very happy. I am very happy. Today you are responding because I have explained from yesterday, not yesterday, Nana. From starting onwards, I am explaining concepts only. I am not explaining any problems till now also. As and today also, I have not explained under this laws of motion. No problem, I have explained, Nana. But today I am entering into the MCQs, Nana, because you are clear about the concepts. This is the way of learning. Don't get confused, Nana. Just please, what is there? Diagram, especially free body diagram. I have given to you, Nana, yesterday. Introduction about, I introduced that one also. Free body diagram. Free body diagram. Free body diagram. FBD. Free body. You are removing the body from the diagram. It is free from the diagram, Nana. It is free from the that diagram is free from the body, Nana. At that place you have to put one dot, Nana. That is a method of calculation, Nana. Method of calculation. So that is a method. First step you have to do that, Nana. But here yesterday I have introduced that one also. But without using the free body diagram also you can do the problems. But somewhere at anywhere, if they ask, if you see any book, if you see that in any book, then you will get confusion definitely. So for that purpose, I was introduced that concept also, free body diagram concept also yesterday. Yesterday I have introduced that also. But today only we did some MCQs based on the completed topics, finished topics. So yes, tomorrow also I am going to discuss about the MCQs, Nana. So these MCQs are very, very, very interesting, Nana, because you are very clear about this one. So very clear. There are a lot of problems I have sent you, Nana, through WhatsApp. You can also go through that problems. You can check it once. You try to solve that, Nana. Then you will get clarity. Please try to solve that. Those questions. Each question very, very easy, Nana. Those questions. Because those questions are not easy, but you are clear about these concepts. That's why you are getting problem answers. So easily you are getting, Nana, problem. That is the way of learning, right? Thank you, Nana. Thank you very much. Tomorrow I will continue the class. Please do the problems what I have sent you yesterday through the WhatsApp. Thank you, Nana. Thank you very much.